In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Booksy for barbers. We'll go through a step-by-step guide to make sure you have everything set up smoothly. Let's get started by heading over to the Booksy business website. This is your starting point and where all the magic begins. You'll find the login icon in the top right corner of the page. It's hard to miss, but if you're having trouble, just look for the familiar login symbols. Once you click on it, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Make sure you have these handy as this ensures access to your account. After logging in, it's time to navigate to the business settings. These can be found on the lower left corner of the sidebar. Once there, you want to go ahead and click directly on business settings. This is where you'll manage and organize different aspects of your barber business on Booksy. Next, click on services setup. This section is crucial as it lets you outline what you offer. Inside, you'll click on services and combo services to start adding the services you want to provide. Be clear and descriptive here, as it not only showcases your offerings, but also informs potential clients about what to expect. Remember to set prices for each service as well. This makes everything transparent for both you and your clients. Now let's head back to business settings briefly. This time, click on online booking. With online booking, you enable clients to book services at their own convenience, making your barbershop easily accessible. Within this section, look for the option to enable online booking and go ahead and click on it. This capability is vital for maintaining a steady flow of appointments and ensuring customers can find and schedule your services effortlessly. Once again, jump back to business settings. This time, focus on payments and checkout by clicking on it. It's important to configure your payment options to accommodate client preferences. After that, move on to checkout settings where you'll choose your preferred payment methods. Don't forget to hit save once you've made the necessary selections. It's always a good idea to offer multiple payment options to enhance customer convenience. Finally, delve into the marketing section. Here, the goal is to promote your services effectively. Whether it's through discounts, promotions, or engaging with customers, harnessing marketing tools will help boost your visibility and attract more clients. Utilize these tools to set your barbershop apart and keep loyal customers coming back. By following this guide, you'll have a robust setup on Booksy that enables smooth operations and increased client engagement. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher.